wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name Faris Maula. I'm from School 4, and today I wanna answer the question from my lecturer. That the first one is about experience when I using context in when I read article or something else, and the second is the most of article that I like. But I will answer one by one. The first one, number one is my experience about using context. I think the first time I know about using context is when I had a second semester in the first the early 2020, and then I taught I taught by Mr. Taufik Ar-Rahman, and he talked me about that, and the material is so useful for me, especially when I read some article or short story that there are words that I didn't know the meaning is, and then I try to continue my reading in the next sentence, and slowly I will know what the meaning is. And then, for example, I didn't know the meaning of weaknesses. At that time I didn't know about that, and the sentence is like this: I will turn my wait. The secret to answering this question is using your weakness to your advantage. But I didn't know what is the weaknesses is, so and then I continue my reading, and the next sentence is I will turn my weaknesses to strengths. So it means that I will turn my weakness into strengths. So and I thought about something who turn into strengths. I think that is the opposite. What is it? Maybe the about the negative. Maybe I think like that. So and then after that I try to check in the dictionary, and actually the meaning of the weakness is as same as negative, something like that. Okay, I will answer the question number two from my lecturer is what the most article that I like. I read another article. The title is 7 Steps to Prepare for Your Job Interview. So I like that because I think after I read that, I know how to prepare a job interview, so I can apply it when I have job interview later on. And there is seven. Maybe I will retell you one by one. Number one is pick out your outfit. So we should prepare our outfits well, like polite and something else, and make not too eye-catching. And the second is practice greeting your interviewer. So we must grinning and be smiling, and makes yourself confident. So don't be like nervous on something else. And number three is study your resume and document everything about it. And we should know about us, know about me, what I have, what's my experience about my what job that I have, and something else. And the number four is practice your answer to the most common interview question. So I think if we prepare to job interview, we must know about what's question that will be questioned in that interview letter. So we can predict what question that will interviewer give us to me, and then I will find the answer before I had interview. Yeah, and I will try to do my best and try to make a good answer, I think. And then the number five, research the company and job position you are applying for. So we must know what's the job position that we will apply it. So don't be like this. You try to apply some job position, but you don't know what the purpose of the job is. And then the number 6 is find out the type of interview you will be going on. This is can be, you can ask this when you communicating with staff or front office in that company, before you had interview, or when the company invite you on the telephone or something else. You can ask this one to the employee, the company, that what type of the interview it is, a face to face or what is it. And the third and the last is print out the direction to the interview and be on time. And after you will have interview, make sure you have make something like a list. Yeah, you make what should you do. Maybe it starts from yesterday, or if you want to interview tomorrow, you should prepare starting from now and make a list. What should I do one by one, and please be on time. Don't over time, because that will impact in your characteristic, or that your qualification later on. Okay, maybe that's all from me, and I hope you know what I mean. And that's and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.